Unveiling the Meaning, Act of God, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind a common yet sometimes misunderstood phrase in the English language: act of God. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're a native speaker looking to deepen your understanding, this phrase carries interesting implications. Let's dive in and explore what it really means and how you can use it accurately in your conversations. An act of God is a legal term that refers to natural events that are outside human control, such as hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and other natural disasters. These events are often unexpected and can cause significant damage or change. It's important to note that the phrase doesn't necessarily have a religious connotation in modern usage. It's more about the unpredictability and uncontrollability of nature. The term dates back to Old English law, where it was used in contracts and insurance policies to define those natural events that no party could be held accountable for. This history is essential because it explains why the term is still in use today, especially in legal and insurance contexts. In modern English, we still use act of God in legal, insurance, and everyday contexts to describe events that humans cannot prevent or predict. For example, if a storm damages your house, your insurance company might refer to it as an act of God to classify the event in your insurance claim. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. The shipping company did not refund the customers because the lost cargo was due to an act of God. Our picnic was canceled because of an unexpected act of God, a sudden and fierce thunderstorm. Notice how the phrase is used to highlight the lack of human control over the situation. We've reached the end of our exploration of the phrase, act of God. I hope this video has shed light on its meaning and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, it's a useful term that adds a layer of understanding to situations that are beyond our control. Thank you for watching, and may your learning journey be free of any acts of God. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.